In London, an exhibition centre is transformed into a hospital in just 1 week. It could eventually treat 4,000 patients. A national exodus. Hundreds of thousands of migrant workers flee India's cities after lockdowns leave them without jobs or pay. And a date is announced for the Tokyo Olympics. The Games will go ahead, but in 2021. The World Health Organization says 2 deaths have now been recorded in Syria. Earlier, the country's health ministry confirmed that a woman died from the coronavirus disease on Sunday after being taken to hospital. State media have not given a location. Several other people have tested positive for the respiratory illness, but medics suspect there might be many more. There are fears the virus would spread rapidly through vulnerable populations, overwhelming the fragile healthcare system in Syria. There's been a sharp fall in new coronavirus cases in Italy, the country worst affected by the pandemic. 1,648 new patients were diagnosed in the latest daily tally. That is less than half of Sunday's figure. Officials say it's evidence that the country is heading in the right direction, but the death rate remains stubbornly high.
A national silence and tough new restrictions as the number of infections in Spain makes another jump. New social distancing rules come into force in Australia. Gatherings of more than 2 people are now banned. There's been a sharp increase in the number of patients dying in France, registering its worst daily figure to date, 418 deaths. France has now recorded more than 3,000 fatalities. Official figures, though, account only for those who die in hospital, not at home or in residencies for the elderly. Tokyo Summer Olympics will be held between July the 23rd and August the 8th next year, exactly 1 year after the Games had been due to take place. The International Olympic Committee said the new dates would give the authorities time to deal with the disruption caused by Covid-19.